Hello, Disney cruisers. It's Robyn from the Go-To family, and today we're taking a walkthrough of the COVID-19 antigen testing all passengers must take before boarding their Disney cruise ship at Port Canaveral. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you will be notified whenever we post a new video from Disney and around the world. After arriving at the debarking area and handing your bags over to a porter, you cross the street to the parking lot where the Inspire Diagnostic Testing Center is located. This is a good time to get your Safe Passage QR code for each stateroom handy because you will need to present it a few times during the testing process. Switching from PCR testing to antigen testing at the port has made this line much shorter. Once inside, you will see the testing areas, which are separated by black dividers. But first, you must wait in the line to get the bags that contain each antigen test. After you pick up your tests, you wait to be assigned a testing booth. One stateroom is allowed per testing booth. You will need to provide the nurse with your Safe Passage QR code. Then you will open the test bags to remove the pens and small stickies. You write the name of one passenger on each sticky and then put each on the corresponding test tube. The nurse hands you the swab, which looks like a Q-tip, and then you swirl it in each nostril 5 times. It was painless, and I actually like this swab better than the PCR one. After you finish all the tests, you pass by the rest of the testing booths and wait to have your QR code scanned again. You then enter another line where you'll have to provide a signed health questionnaire for all passengers. Your QR code is scanned again, and you're given a tent number where you will wait for your test results. Once inside, pick any available seat. In our case, every seat was available, so we didn't really have a hard time. All you can do is wait now, and it can be a little nerve-wracking. If you log into your account on the Safe Passage website, you can find the results here once they're available or on the TV in the front of the tent. The results of the antigen test arrive much faster. I think we waited about 15 minutes max. Once you receive the good news, you're free to leave. You just have to sign out with the person waiting at the exit of the tent. Now that you're free, you can head outside of the parking area, cross the street, and head to the terminal. Before entering the terminal, you'll have to show your port arrival form for each stateroom. Once inside, you wait in line to check in. With the check-in representative, you'll provide your port arrival form, the necessary paperwork, or your passports. Children will also receive the Oceaneers Club band here. Next, you head through security. Finally, it has come time to board the famous escalator to the top of the terminal, and this is where you will board your Disney cruise ship.
After a while, I'm sensing a smile, a smile, a smile, a smile,
If your boarding number has been called already, you can board the ship right away. You will have to provide your port arrival form one more time for a representative to scan it before entering the ship.
I'm sensing a smile. After a while, I'm sensing.
And just like that, there she is, the Disney fantasy. It's really hard to describe the feeling you have as you walk up to enter the ship. There's just one final step you must complete before you can relax, and that's heading to your muster drill station, where you must check in before you do anything else. And that's it, the embarkation process is finished. We celebrated by popping a bottle of champagne after having lunch at Cabanas. We enjoyed watching the ship sail away from Port Canaveral from our veranda. I hope this vlog helped make the testing process at the port a little more clear for you. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and we will do our best to answer them. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications to see more of our vlogs from Disney and around the world.